Let's talk about the stateful servers and stateless servers. The main difference between stateful and stateless servers is how they manage client data. Obviously, stateful servers, they store the client data inside the server, and stateless servers, they use external databases to store the client data. So they doesn't store the session data or any sort of client data inside the server itself. So because of that reason, stateless servers are easy to scale. You can introduce a load balancer in front of it, and you can scale the stateless servers because the data is stored apart from the servers inside the external databases. You don't have to worry about the state of the server. You can scale it easily, but that's not the case when it comes to stateful servers, because the data is inside the server itself. When you are scaling, when you replicating, you have to share those client data or the session data or any of the data that stateful servers store within their replicates. You may wonder why still people use stateful servers with these lot of drawbacks. But you have to remember, when it comes to these system design concepts, stateful servers, stateless servers, there is no a winner and not a loser. All of these concepts are used in different systems. I can say the stateful servers are much more important, similar to stateless servers, because when it comes to things like real-time communication, like video conferencing applications like Zoom, and also not only that, when we work with real-time transactions, high-frequency trading, in these kind of scenarios, and especially multiplayer games, we have to use stateful servers. So where do this data is stored in the stateful servers? That's a good question. So the answer is mostly it's on inside the RAM. So when there is multiple transactions happening, the transactions and those things are stored in the RAM of the server. So these are some important points that you should remember when you are learning about stateful servers and stateless servers.